A group of students from West Virginia's Nitro High School is in the final stages of creating a device designed to enhance line worker safety. Juniors from Adam Wolf's engineering class are developing, with guidance and support from AEP, a fall arrest prototype tool, a sensor-enabled harness for elevated work that would alert line workers if they're not securely tied off.
I've learned that the work that line workers do is very dangerous and that a lot of the injuries include human error.
Our invention focuses on letting them know when they need to strap in and help them stay safe.
Whenever we found out we had an opportunity for this Invent team, I was like, well, this is a really dangerous job and I would like to help them.
Nitro High School, just west of Charleston, was one of only 8 schools in the country chosen to participate this year in the Lemelson MIT Invent Team program, in which students identify and then solve a real-world problem with a tech solution.
We preach safety day in and day out. It's our #1 priority with no exceptions. This is just another layer to adding to the improved safety performance for our line mechanics.
One of the things that I like to do with my engineering program is seek out industrial partnerships, get the kids working on kind of things that have real world value.
And we hope that it'll help a lot of people, not just people who are in the electrical field, but we hope to help people who use harnesses on the daily, like rock climbers, maybe even like zip lines, things like that.
They've really worked diligently through this project and have really worked hard to see it through the end.
Transmission's Tyler Smith and Evan Tucker, both with strong ties to the community, have been working closely with the students.
They've really developed, they've really engaged, they've opened up to asking more questions, and that gives me that satisfaction that I'm actually able to help support them.
Working with Evan and Tyler have really opened up our opportunities as they've given us a lot of harnesses and they've given us critical feedback.
Evan and Tyler have been invaluable to this project. They have been incredible. Having them come in and kind of help the kids, talk with them, give them direction.
We take safety very seriously, so if there's a tool out there that's going to help keep our folks safe, then we're all in.
It has a whole lot more meaning for the kids when they can, talk with and show off their project to people that could potentially use it out in the field, and that really helps.
Over the next few weeks, the team will work on fine-tuning the prototype before they travel to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where Nitro High School's safety invention will debut at Lemelson MIT's Eureka Fest.
The next major things we have to do is figure out how to put Wi-Fi or Bluetooth in it so that both sensors both detect each other instead of just having it sort of hardwired into it.
The several-day trip to the Boston area was made possible through a grant from Appalachian Power.
AEP has been incredibly valuable for us in terms of a partner. They've provided us financial support.
They're thinking about potential career paths and how they can impact not just electrical industry, but there's a wide variety of industries that use fall protection.
We've been in engineering class with each other for 3 years, so we've all really just connected through that, and our friendship has become really close through everything.
It's a very rewarding scenario for me. Coming from Nitro High School, 20 plus years ago at this school and within these walls, we didn't have this type of extracurricular effort. So seeing this now and helping future innovators become more effective from the foundational skill sets is great.
I think the most rewarding thing is seeing how we might be able to help people and the way people are reacting to it. They make it seem like it could be something that's really useful and will really help a lot of people, and that's really what we're trying to do.